Rakhi is around the corner. Mum said that Rakhi is all about expressing love and care for our siblings and friends. I like Rakhi because they are colorful and can come in different shapes and sizes. I wanted to purchase Rakhi for my little brother. Sadly, this year it is a little different because of the COVID outbreak. It's not safe to wander outside unless it is really necessary. Like me, if you're still wondering how to make Rakhi special in this lockdown, then worry not. We have a solution. Hello and welcome. This is Healthyliciousbites presenting you with a very special and unique waste-free Rakhi. Your siblings will surely love it and won't be able to resist as soon as you tie this special Rakhi. Well, what do we need? You do not need to buy any materials from the shops because you can use what you have at home. Here we have some ribbons, shiny paper from a bouquet, and some tissue paper. You can use some cake decorating sprinkles too. For a base, we are using some biscuits. To make your Rakhi look interesting, you can use different shapes and sizes of biscuits. Here we have Mighty Biscuits, Good Days, and Tim Tams. You can also use some beads to put on your thread. Now, let's get crafting! Melt 1 bar of chocolate. You can use milk chocolate, white chocolate, or dark chocolate. Be careful, you might want an adult to help you with this bit. Coat all your biscuits with the melted chocolate. Coat all your biscuits with the melted chocolate. Now you can add some sprinkles to your biscuits. Let it set for a few minutes. We can make some delicious patterns on our biscuits. Make sure that the chocolate hasn't fully set. If you're new to our channel, then please watch the rest of our videos and you're surely gonna like them. So subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Cut a marshmallow, then using chocolate, stick it onto the Tim Tam. With just a few things like some chocolates and biscuits, you can imagine any type of shape and turn them into Rakhi. Are you wondering how these goodies turn into Rakhi? Well, you have to glue your food onto the paper base. Are you worried that the glue might touch your food? Don't worry. Let's wrap the decorated biscuits so that the glue doesn't stick to your food. Let's make a Rakhi's base. Now we are going to make some pom-poms to put your food on. Get the rectangle-shaped paper and make sure that it is a bit bigger than your biscuit. Then start making your pom-poms. As shown, fold the tissue paper, then tie a string around it. Make sure that the string is long enough to be tied around your wrist. Our one base is done. Now let's move on to make the next one. Take the shiny paper and cut out a circle. Then cut some strips onto it to make some petals. Do the same to the tissue paper. Finally, let's make a thread pom-pom. Now, you can tie some string around any rectangle-shaped object. Remove the string and tie it in the middle. Cut through the string on both sides. Now open up the thread to make it a pom-pom. Now let's assemble everything. To make your Rakhi sturdy, get some scrap paper and cut out a small shape. And then hot glue it to the base. Assemble all your Rakhis as shown in the video. We are using a hot glue gun, but you can use any craft glue to assemble your Rakhi. If you are making a Tim Tam Rakhi, then make sure that your ribbon is thick so that the Tim Tam doesn't fall off when you tie it around your hand. Our Rakhis are ready. Don't you think they look beautiful and delicious? I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please try this at home and share the joy and your pictures with us. We enjoyed making these Rakhis and this video. I hope you like this, and if you do, hit the subscribe button. Also, please like, comment and share this video. From the Healthyliciousbites team, we wish you a very happy and safe Rakhi.